So I came across a company on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, I really like that concept. So I did reach out to them and I was super surprised that they wanted to send me a Voloom Petite iron. I thought that this product was very unique and I really did want to try it out. So yeah, now I have it and I'm going to show you guys how it works and if I like it or not. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is paintmeprettycynthiaA, and if you're my loyal subscriber, guys, hi, welcome back. So if you want to watch this video, then please, please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. So I took the iron out and it's plugged in right now. It is super cute because they sent me pink. I'm super excited they sent me pink because you guys know that pink is my favorite color and it's perfect for Valentine, guys. Perfect. By the end of the video, if you guys want to buy this for your girl, you can. And the good thing is about this is you can pay in payments. What? Yep. Alright, let me see. Let me look online so you guys can see before I even start doing my hair and seeing if you want to buy it or not. So there's two ways that you can pay. Either you pay the whole thing at once or you do 3 payments. Payments for $43.33. Stop it, guys. You have to get it for your girl. Like, you have to. But I'll show you how it looks before you buy it, of course. But you have to get it for your girlfriend for Valentine. Come on. If she needs volume, then she needs this. Like, bad. Also, you get in the box, obviously, the iron. And then you get some clips, Voloom clips. And you get a teasing comb. This is a teasing brush, not a teasing comb. And you also get the little bag that you put your iron in after you're done. So, yeah. Alright guys, so let's get this started. You're supposed to section your hair out. So let me look in the mirror. In their video, you can section your hair out like in one piece. And drop the clip. I'm just kidding. Or clip your hair to the side like that and then start on one side. I push my hair to the side, guys, a little bit more. And you're supposed to crimp, or am I saying crimp? It reminds me of a crimper, but just like go down on your roots with the iron and then down again and down again. You're not supposed to go all the way down and just leave it like that. As you can see, it's already giving me volume compared to this side. Let's see. Let's just take this out of the way. If you can see this side compared to that side. Okay, now continue with the next piece. Get another little section. Pin the hair to the side. Section it again. And go as close as you can to the root but without burning yourself. Like, I feel the warm, but it's not like I'm burning myself, you know what I mean? I love to give kisses. And as you can see, there's some volume there. That's so cool. What a cool idea. I swear, it's such a cool idea. Okay, and then move on to the next piece. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to leave these straight in the front. I'm just going to crimp a little bit, like from now on. So crimp. And because I have layers, I can't go as far down as I did with the first piece. You guys, please look at this. This is crazy. Like crazy, good crazy. What a difference. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Do you see that? Do you see this? If you need volume, I'm going to lead a ball back here, and I definitely need some volume back here. Okay, so I'm going to finish the other side, and then let you guys know what I think. Holy shit. So what you're supposed to do is not crimp the last pieces on the top, because those pieces is going to go over all the crimping and make your hair appear that you have a lot of volume. My God, seriously, this is amazing. Do you guys see this? This is so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, genius. So I want to see how it looks with a little headband. Oh my God. This is so freaking cute. I'm like loving it. I'm gonna take it down again so you guys can see like how it really gave me volume throughout the hair, but I'm sure you can see as much. This is so cute. I just can't get enough of it. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again within 2 to 3 days. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Bye. Hi guys. So I need to stretch, my back hurts. Hold on. I took the curling iron or the curl iron. Super cool, isn't it? Well, you don't see it right now, right?